it's Chantel with WildBerry Quilting, and today I've got a Sweetwater label subscription. Let's find out what our labels look like this month. So this is a monthly subscription, and I think it's like $6 a month, so it's not very much. And you get between 1 and I think it's 4 labels. And they've given me a little insert for, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Every time I say an amount of labels that we normally get, they change it on me and they do something different. So this month, we actually ended up getting 2 that are customized. We've got Merry and Bright, and then my name, and then it says handmade, and then my name again. I really like this one with the truck. That's so cute. But then they also gave us a bonus one, and we've got this cute little snowman and a stocking that says handmade. We've got this adorable little reindeer that says fa la la, and a 2023 Christmas tree. And then at the very top it says made with love for, and then you can fill out the name of who you're making it for. These ones are not customized, but we did still get our 2 customized ones. This time we just happened to get an additional 5. That is so cool. And like I said, they've always got to change it up on me and surprise me somehow. I'm not complaining. All right, thanks for joining me. Please remember to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.